everyone, I want to tell you about the windows in the Renault Megane. They often turn off. Sometimes they stop once and then neither up nor down during the operation of this car for 6 months. I have already disassembled the cards 5 times, but the windows simply stopped and neither up nor down, so sometimes it happens that it is enough. Just disassemble the door card and the breakdown is eliminated. There is a motor, which sometimes the brushes get stuck. You just need to get the motor, take it out, insert it back. The point is just to lubricate the brushes in the motor and clean them from dust and reassemble. Thus completely restore the work. And sometimes there is a situation when just the card is still at the moment when the card is removed, some contact is lost and it returns at the moment of removing the card. It is very important that there is a bolt at the bottom of the card. If this bolt is not there, the structural lifting of the window regulator is disrupted. And therefore be sure to check this. The card is removed easily and simply. In the video in 5 minutes you will see everything you will understand. At the moment removal, you can periodically check the contacts here. But if the glass doesn't work, this is easily fixed. I wanted to draw your attention to the fact that there is no point in ordering components for the window regulator card. You may just need to disassemble and reassemble it, so don't waste extra money. Rear door card. The second generation Renault Megane. First, remove the plug. That goes on the door handle behind. The second plug goes under the door opening handle. And there is another bolt at the very bottom of the door. With a slight movement, we take out the barrel. 2 seats, 2 clamps, on one side or the other. In principle, it comes out very easily. Remove the window regulator together with the handle. There are 2 connectors on both sides. 2 tabs, holding the connector. It is quite easy to remove. The card itself, it consists of 2 parts. The first part is removed, just this trim. It goes completely on clips. It is easiest to start from the very bottom until it clicks on one. Side. With your hand. In winter, it's best to do this in a warm room. There are 2 grooves here where it's installed. It lifts up slightly. It's hanging on this, so you need to lift it up a little. These are the fasteners, so it basically slides out of place. There are the main clips that should snap off. There are several of them around the perimeter. Then you can basically remove the card. Move yourself, lift yourself up a little. And under the first part of the panel, there are 2 more screws. This part holds the handle. These need to be unscrewed. Don't forget the one underneath. There's another bolt, a really long one. Then, basically, it's the same as the first part. We remove everything on the clips. From the bottom, starting from the bottom. The same analogy applies. starting from the bottom. The main thing is to be able to grab onto it. So, disconnect the speaker and remove the entire cable. The main fasteners for this car are 2 hooks located at the very bottom, 3 at the top, and 2 at the top. Which are their mounting locations? Basically, it's removed from the bottom up and installed the other way around. Make sure each of these hooks is in its proper location. To install the so we insert the window regulator wiring and put the wires back under the radio and under the lock. There's one more detail: routing the wiring itself under the protective skin. For convenience, we place it on the mounting locations. There's also an additional protective cover underneath the window regulator, which is installed underneath to prevent the wiring from fraying. Now we attach it to the 2 lower, main ones. Next, we screw our 2 screws back in. And for convenience, we put the curtain back in place already on one side, on the other. Weave and then we've dried it on this side. Then we go over all the joints with the doorstop. Everything works fine.